In this video, we continue the work we started in Laboratory 30. So Laboratory Exercise 31 is a completion of this project with the progress bar animation using the timer. At the end of the previous lab, we had one of our main window member functions named callback animate, which is highlighted right here. Invoked a number of times specified by the progress count, and so far this is a demonstration how Fulltext library can generate notifications to us at the specific time intervals. So just once again, animate invokes this callback, which is static function, which then sets the progress count right here to this value, right? Then we make a call into button animate. Button animate is the initial call to start the timer inside the library. I just imagine that there is, library loaded, library components loaded with our window in memory. And we request to call into this function, callback animate. So the library makes initial call right here. We control this through our own function inside the window, and as long as we want, we say repeat timeout, and we repeat this again and again and again until this progress count becomes 0, and then we stop this animation without repeating, and we're ready to again start the whole process over again. So let's close this laboratory now. So this is the copy of Laboratory 30, the previous laboratory. I'm just going to clean this, then also close all tabs and close solution. And let's open the next handout for the Laboratory 31, which completes the work right here. So this is part 2 of the initial project. So first step that we need to make a copy of the previous laboratory. So let's go to the Laboratory 30 subfolder. I will now delete the Visual Studio subfolders right here, .vs and debug, after closing the solution, obviously. And then at this same level, we'll just make a copy. Copy this folder in the labs and paste. And the new name will be Lab 31 Progress. Okay, so this is the new name for the project. Let's open this project now. File, open project. Rename everything as always. And the first step, so let's save everything, make sure that we save it. Again, we will examine the code that we can download directly from this handout. So we're going to download yet another next version of main window header file and implementation. So let's do that. I'm just going to say save link as and point this to Laboratory 31 source, right? So this is the location of this, and make sure that we replace the old file. So yes, replace, and same thing with the implementation file. Alright, so we just got these updates. Let's compile the program and see what it does. And again, I'm getting a few errors because apparently I'm missing the inclusion of iostream. So I'll just add iostream on top of everything else in the main window header file and build this. And then let's run it. And so this is the same type of appearance of the window, but this time the progress bar really isn't visible. We click animate, and you can see that now with the countdown, we also get the visual appearance of our progress bar that goes from 0 to 100%. So let's examine the new code and the changes that came with it.